Let me start with the truth. Nobody tells professionals. You don't forget English during presentations because you don't know English. You forget English because your brain panics before your mouth gets a chance to work. Yes, अगर आपने कभी प्रेजेंटेशन के बीच में ऐसा महसूस किया है कि दिमाग अचानक खाली हो गया, वर्ड्स गायब हो गए हों और आप बस स्लाइड्स पढ़ने लगे, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। देखिए, आज हम ग्रामर या फैंसी वोकैब की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं। आज हम बात कर रहे हैं उस एग्जैक्ट मोमेंट की जब आप स्टेज पर हैं, सब आपको देख रहे हैं और अचानक आपका माइंड ब्लैंक हो जाता है। एंड बिफोर वी गो डीपर, वन क्विक थिंग, if you genuinely want to take your English to the next level in a structured, practical way, watch our free Triple E System Masterclass. The link is in the description. वीडियो यूजफुल लगे तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और हाँ, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, because this is not theory, this is survival training. Now let's get into it. Imagine this scene. You're in a meeting, giving a presentation, you prepared well, you know your content. But the moment all eyes turn toward you, your heartbeat increases. Your throat feels dry and suddenly silence inside your head. आप खुद से कहते हैं, मुझे ये पॉइंट अच्छे से आता है, फिर भी वर्ड्स क्यों नहीं निकल रहे? My dear friends, this is not an English problem. This is a nervous system problem. Okay, let me explain something important. Your brain has two modes. One is thinking mode and the other survival mode. The moment your brain senses threat, fear of judgment, fear of mistakes, fear of embarrassment, it switches to survival mode. And survival mode does not care about vocabulary, grammar or fluency. Its only job is to protect you. And that's why your mind goes blank. Not because you are weak, but because your system is overloaded. The mistake most professionals make is this. They try to fix blank mind with more preparation, more memorization, more perfect sentences. But the real solution is completely different. Let's talk about the first shift you must make. Stop trying to sound impressive. Start trying to sound stable. जब आप प्रेजेंटेशन को परफॉर्मेंस समझते हैं ना, तो प्रेशर बढ़ता है। जब आप प्रेजेंटेशन को कन्वर्सेशन समझते हैं, तो प्रेशर कम हो जाता है। And here is the first practical rule. Anchor yourself with opening control. The first 15 seconds decide everything. Not for the audience, for your brain. Most people start presentation with content. Smart presenters start with control phrases. Now, these are not content heavy lines. No, these are grounding lines. For example, just say, let me briefly set the context before we go deeper. Or I'll start with a quick overview, then we'll go into details. Now, ऐसे sentences आपके brain को signal देते हैं, क्या? I'm in control. And once control is established, flow becomes easier. Never start with data. Never start with numbers. Start with structure. Now, let me share a personal observation. I have seen technically brilliant professionals freeze. Not because they lacked knowledge, but because they tried to start strong instead of starting stable. Starting strong comes later. Starting stable comes first. And here is something even more powerful. Use thinking out loud language. Rule number 2. Most people think silence means weakness. It doesn't. Silence without language feels awkward. Silence with language feels confident. When your mind goes blank, do not rush to answer. Instead, verbalize your thinking. Say things like, let me think this through step by step. Or let me approach this from a practical angle. अब ये कोई fillers नहीं है. This is leadership language. You're buying thinking time without looking nervous. The biggest myth professionals believe is that answers must come instantly. They don't. Clarity matters more than speed. And in a few minutes, I'll share the one sentence that instantly resets your brain mid-presentation, even if you completely forget what you were about to say. But before that, you need to understand what causes blankness in the first place. And we will learn this in rule number 3. That is, stop translating in your head. ये सबसे कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है, स्पेशली इंडियन प्रोफेशनल्स में। आप हिंदी में सोचते हैं, फिर उसे इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, एंड ड्यूरिंग प्रेजेंटेशंस this system collapses. Why? Because translation is slow and presentations demand real-time responses. The solution is not think in English, as motivation gurus say. The solution is think in intent. Intent means, what am I trying to do right now? Am I explaining? Am I disagreeing? Am I clarifying? What is the intent? For example, instead of thinking मुझे ये politely disagree करना है, English में कैसे बोलूं? नहीं. Train your brain to directly access this intent phrase. What is that? Oh, I see the logic, but I would like to offer a different perspective. Ha. Daily practice is very simple. Pick one presentation situation. Just one. Speak for 60 seconds without stopping. No correction, no grammar check. Flow first, accuracy later. Now let's come to rule number 4. Break presentations into verbal chunks. One reason minds go blank is overload. Too many ideas waiting to come out at once. The brain freezes when it sees chaos. So create order before you speak. Use chunk language. Learn small phrases and expressions and use these as chunks. For example, say, there are 3 key points here. Or let me address this into 2 parts. देखिए, जब आप chunks announce करते हैं ना, your brain relaxes. It gets the belief that it can perform. It knows what's coming next. This is not a speaking trick. This is cognitive relief. Now let's talk about something nobody teaches. Rule number 5. Practice failure on purpose. Most professionals only practice when they feel confident. That's backward. You must practice breaking down before real presentations break you down. Remember, confidence is the result of consistent actions and hesitation is the result of consistent inactions. They should not be the starting point or reason of something. Here's a powerful exercise. Record a 2-minute presentation. Deliberately stop mid-sentence. Restart calmly. This trains your brain to recover, not to panic. Confidence is not about never forgetting. Confidence is about recovering smoothly if you forget. अब याद रखिए, ऑडियंस को नहीं पता कि आप क्या बोले. They only know how you react after forgetting. And this brings us to a crucial leadership skill. Rule number 6. Use reset sentence when you are stuck. Remember, I talked about a magic sentence that helps you recover when you go blank. Here it is. The most powerful reset sentence is, let me reframe this more clearly. Now, this sentence does 3 things. It buys time, it signals clarity, and it resets your mental flow. Other sentences can be like, let me simplify this, let me take a step back and explain this clearly. Now, these sentences turn panic into poise. Now, let's move into interaction pressure. What is that? Questions. And which is our rule number 7. Treat questions as direction, not threat. Most professionals fear question and answer more than presentation. Do you do that? Because questions feel like judgment. Change the frame. Questions are guidance. When asked something difficult, don't answer immediately. Respond with something like, oh, that's an important question. Let me address the core concern first. This gives you control of direction. अगर आपको आंसर नहीं पता ना, tell them politely that you are not in a position to answer them right now. Honesty beats panic. Remember that. Say, that's a fair point. I would like to come back to this with more clarity. Now, this builds credibility, not weakness. Here is rule number 8. Build a pre-presentation ritual. Confidence doesn't appear on stage. It is activated before the stage. So, create a 5-minute ritual. Say key verbs aloud. Align, prioritize, escalate. Speak your opening lines once, not 10 times. Speak it once with intention. Your brain doesn't need rehearsal. It needs readiness. And here is rule number 9. Shift focus from yourself to value. Nervousness comes from self-monitoring. How do I sound? How do I look? The moment you shift focus to value, nervousness reduces. Ask yourself, what is useful for them right now? Now, this outward focus calms the system. Rule number 10. Redefine what natural means. Natural does not mean flawless. Natural means grounded. You don't need perfect English to present well. You need a structure, recovery skills, and calm intent. Let me say this clearly. Your goal is not to impress. Your goal is to be understood. जब ये goal clear होता है ना, pressure automatically कम हो जाता है. And if your mind goes blank during presentation, it's not a talent issue. Remember, it's a training issue. And training is learnable. If you want a structured system to build this skill step by step, watch our free Triple E System Masterclass. The link is in the description. And if this video helped you even a little, like it, share it with someone who struggles in presentations, and subscribe to the channel because confidence is not born, it is built. Remember this, you don't become natural by avoiding fear, you become natural by learning how to move through it.